We're at Cox Bay and we have been learning about marine biology and stuff about the ocean.
Talking about jobs that you can have and different just jobs, I guess.
Yeah, I liked learning about the orca and building it. That was really fun.
I like figuring out how all the pieces and parts and the end product is pretty neat.
I learned that whale flippers looks like our hands.
Yeah, I really like building the whales, what it's like to see how the whale is built.
I want to do something with the ocean, like be on the ocean more. Coast Guard or search and rescue maybe, something like that, yeah.
I think I want to be a marine biologist. It seems really cool, getting to go on adventures, going outside a lot. I feel like the people that led this camp were really inspiring. Just because of their jobs, they just gave us cool information.
I'd probably tell them that this was a pretty good class and it's fun to explore and learn about the ocean and stuff.